Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this John Varvatos model, V413. The color of this frame is Tortoise. On the temples here we have a gold and black detailing with a tortoise temple tip finish. And at the temple tip over here, we have a John Varvatos logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the John Varvatos logo in silver. The style of the frame is full rim round. Up here we have a John Varvatos case to put your glasses in and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.